The problem is, of course, they're not being supported to do that work, to save lives and to provide the best care by a Liberal government. A Liberal government in Spring Street that has cut and cut again the services that Bendigo families and families across country Victoria need, and now a Liberal government in Canberra who want to make that bad situation, that crisis, they want to turn a crisis into a disaster. And that's what Tony Abbott is doing. He's taking $7 million away from the Bendigo Hospital. He's taking $70 million away from country Victorian health. And he's also taking nearly $300 million away from Victoria as a health system as a whole. That's more than any other state. And what that means is more patients in Bendigo, more patients across country Victoria, more patients across our state will wait longer in pain for the care that they need than they should. If you don't fund health properly, people die and other people wait far too long for the care that they need. I cannot understand how any Prime Minister can make these sorts of decisions. I cannot understand why a Premier, regardless of which party they're from, is too weak to stand up and call this out for what it is. It is putting lives at risk. It is causing endless suffering for patients and their loved ones. It is just not what Victorians voted for in 2010, and it's not what Victorians need today. Dennis Napthine needs to stand up to Tony Abbott on this, but of course Dennis Napthine can't, because he's cut hundreds of millions of dollars out of the health system himself. Victoria deserves much better than Liberal governments cutting away, taking out of the hands of doctors and nurses the funding they need to treat patients and provide the best care. Victoria deserves much, much better than that.